Here we are in Preston's Beach, Bodega Bay, Pacific Oceana. Mommy's dressed like she's in Alaska. Getting ready to watch the sunset there, Harriet.
It's gonna take a while.
And look, it must, yeah, must have been a hell of a storm. What do you think, they just put it there for decoration?
Yes.
That's my girl. There's a bonfire we're going to do tonight. Mommy's on her way to the ship just happened to show up there one day. Going to Harriet. Waiting for the sunset.
Little crabs. You know the dead crabs. They breed and then they die.
Sounds like me. Waiting for the sunset. There's Uncle Hayhead's chair. Hayhead's got his chair ready with his beer. Yeah, baby. All right, we're gonna go check out the ship.